wanna catch me slipping like I'm Charlie Brown, but I get on up like I'm James Brown, nigga. Stare in the mirror, only thing I see is a man who's going to new places. With patience, dog, I'm not racing. Are you rolling with me? Man, I don't know. Loving when the moon shines, riding on a high tide, crash on the late night, crash on the late night.
Alright, so this is how I got everything masked right now. This is basically like at home, how to like get things done if you're gonna do it at home. Basically got everything all masked off. Everything basically is ready for primer. I got like one little spot right there I gotta re-sand. Down there I gotta re-sand. Actually there was rust down there. I actually finished that rust. And then on this side, all ready to go. Down there. And basically there's one little spot right there. It's not a way to mask it, but this is if you're gonna do it at home. And on this side. And if you're hungry, they got things on sale. But yeah, ready for primer and then paint and then clear. Alright, so this is one coat of primer. I'm going to do 2 more coats and then basically wet sand it down with 600 and 800. And then basically be ready for the paint and clear. Alright, so I decided to go with 2 different type of primers just to make sure that rust never comes back. So I did a gray primer and I ended up going with the black primer as well. Over here is basically just glue. I had to remove the glue, but basically everything's all sanded down. Bumper's fixed. And then, but I'm gonna order a new bumper anyways. One that goes with the body kit. And then basically this side is done as well. Also repaired down there. It looks kind of funky because, like I said, it has 2 different primers. But pretty much it's smooth. Rust is going over there as well. All right here is fixed. So now, next thing I'm gonna do is basically bring it to the car wash, give it a quick wash, so I bring it back over here and basically get it ready for paint. And the color, I'm not too crazy about right now because I'm gonna end up getting the whole car painted. So basically just to make this all blend pretty much. And then clear coat it, and then basically that's it. It's repaired.